Hi guys, so welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm going to be doing a pre-poo treatment on my hair using palm oil by this company called Just a Soap. And I actually bought this for soap making, but I'm not doing much of that, so I'm going to use it on my hair. It's a natural oil. It's got lots of benefits, and I'm going to be listing that in the description box down below as to why palm oil is a good oil. And I just like using it for my detangling and pre-poo session right before I shampoo. So I don't do a lot of talking on my videos. I mostly do voiceovers, but I want that to change. I want to start getting more comfortable with looking into the camera lens and talking to the camera and talking to you guys as if we were friends at a cafe having a coffee. I just think my type of personality is quite reserved, quite observant, quiet. So for me, it's about challenging myself to step out of that as well, and yeah, just be more, step out of my comfort zone, challenge myself to grow in different ways, and just be more open, because I think I'm very closed as an individual and I would like to change that. So I'm starting baby steps. So I had some faux locks on, and now I can't even talk. I had some faux locks on, took those off. I gave my hair 2 to 3 weeks of a break, and then I'm going to do some braids next because it's the winter time and I need to do some protective styles, I believe, for my hair type. And braids help my hair to grow. It's affordable, I can do them myself. I'll be doing a video on how I do my braids. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure you guys all know the benefits of pre-pooing, but just in case you don't, it's to give the hair sort of like a protective layer before you go in and shampoo, so that the shampoo doesn't totally strip the hair of all its moisture and cause breakage whilst you're shampooing your hair, and to just give your hair a bit of treatment and nurturing before you shampoo. I used to pre-poo all the time in the past, and then I stopped, and I think my hair has suffered for it. So I'm trying to get my hair back to its healthiest that it could ever be. I don't have fast growing hair. It's kind of in the middle in terms of porosity and density. It's not high or low porosity, it's in the middle, and it's not high or low in terms of thickness, it's just in the middle somewhere. So yeah, if people are expecting like to see me in the next 2 years with super long hair, it's not going to happen. That's not the type of hair that I have, or DNA that I have, unfortunately. When I first went natural, that's what I wanted. I wanted my hair to be as long as people like Natural 85 or people like Chime Edwards here on YouTube, but it's not the case. I've actually been natural since, well, on and off my whole life, but ever since I found out about the natural hair movement, I've been natural since 2011. And yeah, I started, you know, learning more about the process, how to take care of natural hair. I learned more when I was in college studying hairdressing. I learned a lot from YouTube, and I started my own journey in 2011. So 5 years in, I just kind of got fed up because my hair wasn't growing and I had some setbacks, and then I relaxed again. When I relaxed again, the hair broke off again, and then I just decided, okay, let me go back natural and stay natural this time, because the relaxer really is not for me. Did that. So here I am 1 year later, and this is my, I guess you can say 1 year update on my natural hair since the big chop. 1 year and probably 6 months actually. So you can see I don't have fast growing hair or super long hair. And in the beginning I was really actually gutted by that, but I'm trying to learn how to love my hair regardless of its length, and try to do styles regardless of its length. I don't want to be held back, I don't want to be limited, and I feel like that's the mindset I had for a very long time, and that's what even stopped me from starting my YouTube channel, because I've been watching YouTube since 2009, and I actually bought a camera twice, in 2012 and 2015 or 16, and I said I'm going to use it and I'm going to create a channel, but I never did, because the results that I had with my hair I didn't like, and I thought that, okay, it's not going to attract viewers. So now I'm at a stage where, you know, that burning sensation, or that curiosity of what would it be like if I created my own channel and had my own videos, and in my little corner of YouTube land, to just bring, you know, just do things in my own way and inspire people in my own way. What would it be like? That was always there in the back of my mind, so I continued to think about it and procrastinate and watch other YouTubers on YouTube for this amount of time, until I finally decided to go ahead and give YouTube a try in terms of creating my own video and uploading it. I did that 7 months ago, and it's been fun. It has definitely been fun, but I could see what YouTubers mean by it's hard work, especially when you work and study at the same time. It's hard work, it is. You don't always feel like filming or editing or uploading, and that's why I'm not putting too much pressure on myself when it comes to YouTube. I'm just taking things easy. Yeah. So I'm going to let this sit in my hair for a little while, maybe 20 minutes underneath the hooded dryer, and then wash it out. I know my talking was probably all over the place, but I just thought to myself, I'm going to wing it. I'm going to see what it's like. I'm going to see how organic it comes out, how it sounds, how I sound, how I look, the type of response that I get. Even if I don't get a lot of feedback on this video, like the validation, I'm going to validate myself basically. I did well because I stepped out of my comfort zone. So that's what I'm going to try to do from now on. Instead of doing voiceovers, I'll probably still do some voiceovers, but not as much. I want to do more talking videos now, because eventually I want to get into like motivational talking videos and things like that. I always put extra oil or extra conditioner on my edges, because those places are very fragile for me, especially at the back. They're constantly breaking off. and I shaved my head at the back because I got so tired and frustrated with the state of it. I'm going to do a separate video on like the pros and cons, or the positive side and the negative side of my natural hair and my natural hair journey. But this is the back that I've shaved, and I just want it to regrow and be healthy, and I'm going to try to stay updated and consistent with my head massages, with my hair steam treatments, so that my hair can just grow and be healthy as long as possible. I think the longest my hair has ever been is 7 inches, and I'm going to try to change things up and see if I can get some more inches. And I know people say it's not about the length, it's about the inch, but it's about the health. But I want both. I want both, and I don't see anything wrong with having both. I just think there's so much I could do if my hair was longer. Okay, this video was kind of all over the place, but it is my first time doing a talking video, so I hope it comes out well. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope to do more in the future. So this is how I detangle my hair and pre-poo my hair before I shampoo. It was quick, it was easy. I did half of my head off camera, but the whole process did not take long at all. And I used this Denman brush. I don't know the code name for it, but it's a Denman brush. It's got 3 tooths or teeths going along, and it's good for detangling in small sections. I would never detangle with this in a large section of hair, only in small sections, and I start from the tips and work my way up to the roots. And yeah, that's what I do. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hi guys, so I'm back. I actually lied. I did not sit under the hooded dryer for 20 minutes. I slept in the palm oil because I was filming late at night and I was really tired afterwards. So this is a close-up of what it looks like the next morning. Okay, I'll turn around so you can see the back. And I don't normally sleep in my pre-poo treatments. This just happened to be one of those nights where I was really tired. And now I'm going to go wash it out and I'll show you the end results. But the hair, my hair, what would I say? It has, yeah, I think it has a little bit of sheen. It feels soft, but not as soft as it would feel if I put a conditioner in. And now I'm going to move on to the treatment part of my wash day. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.